Hello and welcome back to K Cricket Score. In this video, we will be giving Indian men's team's cricket schedule for 2021. India is one of the most strongest team in international cricket. They will be having a lot of overseas tour and a bit of home series in 2021. India will be facing New Zealand in the final of World Test Championship from June 18, 2021 to June 23, 2021. Then India will be touring to Sri Lanka, where they will play 3 one-day internationals and 3 T20 internationals. The Sri Lanka series will get underway with one-day internationals on July 13th. The second one-day international will be played on July 16th and the third one-day international will be played on July 19th. It will be followed by T20 internationals on July 22nd. The second T20 international will be played on July 24th and the third T20 international between India and Sri Lanka will be played on July 27th. The Board of Control for Cricket in India has already announced a 20-man squad for the final of the World Test Championship against New Zealand and for the series against England. The BCCI will soon be announcing the squad for Sri Lanka also. The first test between England and India will be played at Nottingham from August 4. The second test between India and England will be played from August 12th at London. The third test between India and England will be played from August 25 from Leeds. The fourth test between India and England will take place from 2nd September. The last and the final test between India and England will be played on 10th September 2021. These are the schedules which are officially confirmed. That's it for now. Thank you for watching K Cricket Score.